Hey y'all, it's your girl Killa. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So, in my first vegan fried fish video, I told you to let me know if you can't find banana blossoms and if you would like me to show you my alternate method of making the vegan fried fish. Well, someone did reach out and ask, and I am a woman of my word, so here we are. Here's a quick flashback to the video just in case you missed it. So for those who don't know, these are banana blossoms. This is the brand that I have. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. Here you see how flaky it is. It's perfect for fish. It's very flaky. It's white. And it's a great and easy method to make vegan fried fish. However, that's not what we're here for today. We're here to show you my alternate method of making the vegan fried fish. And as stated in the first video, both of the recipes do taste exactly the same. They look exactly the same. They taste exactly the same. But the recipe I'm going to show you today does require a little more time, and you will see why. But don't let that stop you. I said it takes a little more time. It's not harder. It just takes a little more time. So don't let that stop you because, baby, when you try this vegan fried fish, you are going to be glad you didn't pass it up. So let's go ahead and get to it. So, you're going to need a can of young green jackfruit and a can of artichoke hearts. You are going to rinse and drain them both, but for the young green jackfruit, it is key that you soak it in cold water for 30 minutes in 10-minute increments. I'm not going to walk through that process here because I walked through it in my Philly cheesesteak video and my pulled pork video, so you can check that out there. But you are going to drain and rinse them both. Squeeze them out really, really good with like a nut milk bag or something because you want it to be as dry as possible. Throw them in a bowl and season them. Once you have those seasoned, you're going to mix them very well. I'm not going to walk through the seasonings, the wet mixture, or the dry mixture in this video. You can check out the first video for those details. But once you have your jackfruit and your artichokes mixed and seasoned well, that is your fish mixture is ready to batter. So whether big or small, whatever size you want to make your fillets, you're going to grab you a handful of our fish mixture and shape them into whatever shape you want them to be. And then we are going to dip them into the wet mixture and into the dry mixture. So, besides soaking the jackfruit for 30 minutes prior to using it, this is where the additional step comes in. Unfortunately, the jackfruit and artichoke mixture crumbles very easy, so to keep it from falling apart, we have to place it in the freezer for 30 minutes prior to frying. So grab a cookie sheet and some wax paper and place your batter fillets on the pan and in the freezer. Once the 30 minutes is up, you can see that the fish fillets are solid and no longer falling apart. Dip your fillets back into the wet mixture and then the dry mixture, and now they are ready to fry. So here I have some avocado oil. You want to place your fillets in the hot oil. You want to make sure you do not overcrowd your pan because when you overcrowd your pan, your heat reduces and you do not want to reduce the heat of the oil. Once your fillets are golden brown on one side, you want to flip them over and let them cook for a few more minutes. Once your fish is done, you're going to place it on a cooling rack or a wire rack. I know it's very popular to place them on paper towels, but just a key tip, if you want to keep it as crispy as possible, it's best to place it on a wire rack. So at this point, I like to add a little bit of Cajun seasoning, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And then I dash it with a little bit of dry dill weed and squeeze it with some fresh lime or lemon. And our fish is done. But wait, you know I have to give you the crispy test and show you what it looks like on the inside.
They might, people might get there.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to check out the first vegan fried fish recipe using banana blossoms, click the link in the description box below. Also, if you'd like to be notified when I drop a recipe or what I eat in a day, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. The bell icon will ensure you will be notified. You can also keep up with me on Instagram. It's your girl Kia Love. Until next time, y'all, peace and love.